Hello everyone, my name is Anup Poddar. So today I am going to discuss about unit number 1, the software problem and software process. So the contents that we are going to discuss in this video is about the cost, schedule and quality. So let's see what is the cost of the software. Now in the industrial software domain there are three basic forces. Okay. Cost, schedule and quality. So these three parameters will drive and define a software project. So whenever you are going to start a software project, so these three parameters will help you to do the software project, that is cost, schedule and quality. So industrial sense software is very expensive. So whatever the software we take from the industry, it is very expensive. Now the productivity in the software industry for writing fresh code generally ranges from few hundred to about 1000 plus lines of code per month. So whatever the code we are writing, it ranges from few hundred to about 1000 LOC per month. Software companies often charge the client for whom they are developing the software. So whatever the software companies are there, always they charge for the client, okay, for whom they are developing the software. So if the client wants to take the product from the software companies, they will be charging between $3,000 to $15,000 per person month. Now with the productivity of 1000 less per person month, it means that each line of delivered cost between $3 and $15. Even small projects can easily end up with software of 50,000 LOC. So with this productivity, such a software project will cost between $150,000 and $750,000. So in the previous slide we have studied about cost. Now we'll go to schedule. Now schedule is an important factor in many projects. So if you are doing any project, the time taken for that project should be defined. So the schedule is very important, that is the project should be completed within the stipulated time. Now business trends are dictating that the time to market for a product should be reduced, that is the cycle time from concept to delivery should be small. Now software needs to be developed faster and within the specified time. Next parameter is quality. So these are the attributes of quality, that is functionality, reliability, usability, efficiency, maintainability and portability. So these are the quality attribute approaches. First one we go for functionality. Functionality is nothing but the capability to prove functions which meet stated and implied needs when software is used. So whenever the software is used, what are the capability to provide the functions are provided by the functionality. So the functions that meets the standard of the software are called as functionality. Reliability. Reliability is defined as the capability to prove failure free service. So if you are given the project, it should not fail at any cost and it should be at the free service. So it should be reliable. Even if some failure occurs, the product can be given to the company and should be of a free service. So whatever project we are given to the client, it should be reliable, it should not fail at any cost. Usability, the capability to be understood, learned and used. Usability means you have to be whatever the product is there, it should be able to use by the client. Next is the efficiency, capability to provide appropriate performance related to the amount of resources. So to provide appropriate performance related to the amount of resources used. Maintainability, the capability to be modified for purpose of making corrections, improvement or adoptions. Portability, portability is the capability to be adapted for different specified environments without applying actions or means other than those provided for this purpose. So if you are running the product on one environment, it should be applicable to other environment also. So if you are shifting the product to another environment, it should work at that stage also. So it should be portable from one environment or one platform to another platform. So in this video we have discussed about various software problems, how the quality and schedule of software should be maintained. Thank you.